Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. What's cooking? Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. What's going on at the clubhouse today? Chef Minnie is giving a cooking lesson before tonight's sleepover. Mickey, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy want to learn how to make Minnie's pretty pizza pie. Pluto wants to help, too. Is the pizza pretty yet? Asks Mickey. It will be, says Chef Minnie. Let's use lots of colors for the toppings. Minnie likes to use red sauce, orange cheese, and green peppers on her pizzas. But the first pizza out of the oven is not as pretty as Minnie hoped. I think, says Minnie, the pizza needs one more color. Let's try again, Minnie says. Daisy, will you make the dough? Donald, would you slice the onions? I'll be right back. Chef Minnie and Mickey rush out to find one more color for the pizza. At the Moo Mart, Minnie greets Clarabelle. I need something yellow today, says Chef Minnie. What do you think Minnie will get to put on the pizza? Oh, it's perfect, says Chef Minnie. Just 10 minutes in the oven, and out pops a pretty pineapple pizza pie. Now it's time for Minnie and her pals to eat their colorful creation. Hot dog, says Mickey. Hot pizza, says Goofy. Cooking and cleaning up is always more fun with friends. Sweet dreams, says Chef Minnie. For breakfast tomorrow, I'll teach you how to make pretty pineapple pancakes.